What's up, guys? Oh, I got a helmet on. We are doing a parade lap on Circuit of the Americas in a drift car. This place is crazy. There's so many way super rad cars here. Like Team Honda over there, Sierra off-road cars. We got drift cars up there. So many beautiful cars. BMW. I can't believe this is like the fanciest racetrack in America, and we're gonna take a drift car on it that we literally popped tires on like 15 minutes ago. Porsche, BMW, Ferrari 458 Italia. We saw a Carrera. All kinds of crazy stuff. You excited, Austin?
Dude, I am pumped.
Should I drop the clutch? Like little second gear clutch kick. What's the worst case scenario? Like they probably kick us off, right?
And you know you have to pay a couple grand.
Yeah, we probably have to pay a couple grand in fines, and they probably try to send us to jail or something.
Probably something dumb.
Yeah, so we won't actually do it.
You tell them how good this Corvette is.
Oh yeah, so this thing rips so far. So I've only tandemed with a couple of my buddies with like some LS 240s and then like a, what they say, 550 wheel horsepower 2JZ, and you could just suck right up on them. As long as I have decent tires. I just have Kenda 300 tread wears on here right now, which are a decently cheap kind of seat time tire. But I really want to throw some like soft compounds on here, and like, dude, I really want to try to do a shootout in this thing this year.
Got it. A single hang with some pro cars.
But yeah, the FD rule, like it's full FD rulebook, so like fire suppression system and everything like that. So I'd have to see how expensive it is to convert this to a full FD car. But I'm not gonna give up everything. I don't want to give up. I don't know. I don't want to give up the interior. It looks so nice. It's so satisfying. Like everything works. Like I can just like, you know, unlock it, open the door. What do you want to listen to some tunes while we're going around the track? We got Ferrari, we got drift cars. This facility is insane. Oh, we got the whole ass track up there.
Someone crashed.
Oh, somebody crashed?
Yeah.
Porsche, another Subaru, GTR. Crazy S2000, crazy S2000. Hey, you want to record? Viper.
Oh, new Supra.
Oh, dude,
Look
that
at
thing's
that.
crazy.
You won't buy a salvage Supra and put it on the channel and do that to it?
Dude. That's looking pretty good.
It looks real good.
I'm not a fan of the rear wing, but that thing's sick. You think we can beat the lap time?
You want to try?
Dude, we're gonna like triple it. Lap
255.
We're gonna go for like 8 minutes, bro.
8 minutes. Full sideways.
Full sideways.
Every turn.
Dude, we could probably put, I think my fifth is like 180. What? No, I think it's over 200.
Yeah, it was.
My fifth was over 200 miles an hour.
It was like 230.
I think we could link the track in fifth.
Probably. Can you imagine going up that hill?
Can you imagine dying?
Yeah. Not with our Dan Moore cage, though.
Oh. Keep us safe. I'm stoked we get a full Ferrari around the track, though.
What is that? I think it's sick.
Is that a Subaru? What is that?
I have no idea. what?
This is wild. This exhaust is so choppy. She grips up pretty good.
Yeah. Tires aren't hot.
What, you got a burble tune on this thing?
Yeah, purple tin, buddy. Isn't that what they do with little Mazdas?
That's what they do, man. Imagine, dude. Imagine.
A purple tin, bro. Hey, we started the wave! I think I'm gonna join SCCA,
You got the perfect car for it.
but I'm gonna leave the e-brake in. I'm just gonna drift the event. These tracks are crazy. Can you imagine drifting this track, dude?
Do what?
Can you imagine drifting this track?
Oh, it'd be nuts.
I'm scared to like go full throttle because I think I'd kick it sideways.
Probably. This track would be so fun to just be flat out on.
Oh my god. I'd be Manji in the straight on this track. Look at all that, people going off.
Even not drifting this track would be fun. Like, it looks insane.
Oh, it's like, yeah.
The elevation changes.
Dude, this thing's crazy. I forget how fast the Formula One cars go on that freeway. Dude, it's like close to like 300 miles an hour, I think.
No way.
Yeah. Like this alignment, like always wants to throw sideways. And I think I'd probably get in trouble if I was like, you know?
Probably.
But it's kind of hard to keep this car straight with the alignment. It's so out in the front. So it wants to, it instantly wants to flick it sideways. Dude, do you think I'm the first ever car to go on Circuit of the Americas? Dash looking like a Christmas tree. Active handling system, traction service system.
Hopefully we get to push it a little more.
Yeah, I think they would probably do a couple parade laps and then maybe let us open it up in the last one a little bit.
That'd be dope.
I don't know.
Up and goes.
Driving this drift car like behind a Ferrari. Brakes are good. You scared me there for a second.
Oh, that's all we get?
Oh, I wanted to open it up on the straight one more time. That was super cool though. Crazy car, dude. So many Porsches. Bro! Little Honda.